Hi folks, this is Andy from daytradeexpress.com. I've had a lot of emails really this week regarding the video that I actually put down on YouTube regarding how we can actually help ourselves, if you like, and control some emotional trading. And it seemed to me there has been a lot of interest in that, and in view of the emails as well, I like to upload another video, a short one really this time, just to see whether I can help a little bit more. By the way, if you're watching the chart in front of you now, and in case anyone comes to say why are you showing an indicator, it's very simple really. Very rarely I use an indicator, and that is only for divergence, nothing else. The moving average is okay, it's part of my methodology if you like, but the indicator is simply for divergence. And as you can see now, there it goes, it's being squashed down there. Okay, so you can't see. Right, okay. The visualization process is honestly the only way that I've found that it could actually help you to stick to a particular thing that you're doing. So if you're writing your rules down, it's very easy. We're all human, and I think when you look at something on the screen, you think, maybe this is okay, let's take this trade, and therefore you move away from those rules that you've written down. I've done it in the past, and I have to admit it was very frustrating to see that had I followed my rules, my success rate would have been a lot higher. So this technique really, I was reading an article some years ago, even before I started trading, and in fact I used to do a lot of public speaking, and it helped me enormously to actually overcome that fear of facing people and talking to people. And I remember what I had to do at the time. It was actually visualizing from the minute I got up from the chair I was sitting, walk up to the stage, picking up my papers or looking at the projector and everything else. So therefore it was so easy for me at the end. I got used to it because I was doing that at home. So I used to close my eyes, visualizing myself walking up there, reading the papers, looking at these people, cracking a joke or two, smiling, that kind of stuff. So when the time came, it was a lot easier to do, and I've applied that principle to my trading. In fact, going back to the public speaking, I was actually teaching my daughter to do that because she's in that kind of business, if you like. Okay, going back to the trading, the visualization basically will form from the minute you actually turn the computer on. And if you imagine that you're looking at a chart, say like this one here in front of you, well, if your rule says that you're going to go long, say as soon as a price goes and closes above a moving average, right, this is what you need to do. But when the time comes and you're about to take that trade, you actually look at it and it says, maybe it doesn't look right. So the idea basically is simply to follow the rules by practicing prior to coming to the precise time to do it. In other words, if you're at home, say, let's just say you're on your own at home, you've written your rules down. The way I used to do it is close your eyes and visualize it. There is the actual signal. I have to take it. You click the mouse, the order is filled, then you manage your trade through, then you exit it, then you can see your account either going up or going down depending on the loss. But the loss is irrelevant. The loss will not be that effective at the end of the day if you're actually in that visualization process. You actually say, this one went wrong, but it doesn't matter, I'll move on. That is the way you're going to accept certain things in trading. It helped me enormously, and I hope it helped a lot of you. It's not easy to start with, but as the time goes on, you will find that that becomes a lot easier. And at the end of the day, we're all humans, and little things that we see, especially so quick. I mean, I deal with very short time frames. I have to be quick. Now, I have to train basically my subconscious mind to do certain things automatically. When you were taught how to drive, they were saying to you, the instructor was saying to you, clutch, change gear. But you don't do it now. It's automatic, and that's really what you need to do. You need to feed the information in your subconscious mind. Believe me, that is a very powerful tool that we actually possess. So that is the way I found to help me, if you like. Don't be afraid. Don't tell anyone. If you feel that, oh my God, I look a bit divvy or something, sitting there with my eyes closed, doing none the other. Don't tell anyone. Do it on your own at home. It will help you. Trust me. First few times you may find it difficult, but as the time goes on, you will find it very helpful. Don't just stop. I mean, it took me a couple of months, I suppose, really. I can't remember now, but it took me a long time. But at the end of the day, I'm glad I did it. Some people may use EFT. If you go on the website, I have a link on EFT, which is basically Emotion of Freedom Technique. That helps as well, and I do that, funny enough, on various other things of my private life. So if that helps you, that's fine, do it. At the end of the day, we all need to find something that will help us overcome a certain things that we do wrong. Anyway, I hope to help a lot of people, and your emails are not wasted. If you need any more information, go onto the website, leave me an email direct, and although I get the ones from YouTube, go into the website. There are a lot of other articles and things there, so maybe be of some use to you. But please leave an email. I have no problem. I will respond to you. I used to send emails to other people, and I was glad that somebody actually took the time to respond. We're all trying to help each other. I hope that helped. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.